How to make GIF from photo or multiple photo on your iPhone without any third-party apps. Go to your shortcut and then press on gallery, then in search bar type GIF. Then you can see different option. Create a GIF from live photo or video, photo plus photo plus photo plus animated GIF, make an animated GIF out of video. So I want to make photo plus photo plus photo equal to animated GIF. Select this one and add as a shortcut on your iPhone. Now we have to go to your shortcut, press on it and shoot a GIF. Then it's automatically turn on your camera. Take a 4 image. 2, 3, 4. And within couple of seconds it's automatically made it. If you want to save it on your gallery, press on this icon or top of the corner image and save to photo and save to file. Save to file on your file option and save to photo on your gallery. Then press on done. Go to your photo gallery and this is it. This is how you can easily make GIF on your iPhone from photo. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.